It's a sad truth, but most of us spend our workdays in terrible, uninspiring environments. Those fluorescent panels, cookie-cutter cubicles, and motivational posters may be soulless, but design sensibility often carries a premium that is slashed from the bottom line of big business. Let's take a look at 10 most luxurious offices from around the world. 10. Bastard Store and Office by Studio Metrico. The Bastard Store and Design Office in Milan, Italy is truly a skateboarder's dream. It features a street-level retail outlet, a balcony design office overlooking the shop, and the Bastard Bowl, a full-size indoor skate park spanning 600 square feet and raised 18 feet above the floor level. The design for the Bastard Store was created by Studio Metrico, an Italian architecture firm that selected the location and developed the project from planning to completion. The client Convert SRL, parent company of Bastard and Electric Visual, now owns one of the most amazing offices in the world, a dream workplace for any skateboarder. All of the furniture are mounted on wheels and can be freely placed on the original marble floor. The cashier desks and clothes displays have been assembled using leftover wooden panels from the office's construction. The dressing rooms have been fitted without the leftover wooden elements from the Bastard Bowl. A system of wooden elements has been designed to display skateboards, sunglasses, and goggles. Convert partners, collaborators, and employees will work one shift a month in the shop so that they are in close contract with the product they usually design, distribute, and sell. 9. TBWA Hakoto Offices. The TBWA Hakoto ad agency wants their office to communicate something to both its employees and clients. We think differently. TBWA Hakoto teamed up with Clyde Ditham Architecture to give form to this message, creating one of the most beautiful, playful, and relaxing office environments in the world. Clyde Ditham selected the location with an amusement complex in downtown Tokyo. Once a bowling alley itself, the office building still operates a bowling alley, a golf driving range, and other entertainment functions above and below the office. The office itself is just as fun as anything else in the building, a tree and grass-lined environment with warm hardwood floors, indirect lighting, and an open space that promotes casual living and community. 8. Penthouse Office by Bentham Krall Architects. This strange curved-in structure stands 18 feet above the roof of the Las Palmas building in Rotterdam, the Netherlands, overlooking the river below. The penthouse office was designed by Bentham Krall Architects to provide a modern extension of the original building below it. Inside, smooth white walls and wooden furnishings provide structure to the office, while its glass wall facing the river is the building's primary focus. The views are picturesque, the mood is bright and productive, and the building itself adds to the mystique of the Rotterdam skyline. 7. Saugascano Architectural Office. An architecture firm's talent is best measured by the design of their own office. The Saugascano Architecture Office, just outside of Madrid, Spain, is fully immersed in the natural environment around it. This white and glass-walled tubular structure makes the nature around the office its true focal point, bringing in the falling autumn leaves, the spring flowers, and the seasons in between. Photographed here by Ewan Bond, one can get a clear sense of what working in such an amazing environment must feel like. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you would get notified when we upload the next video. 6. Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia. If you're doing business with the Republic of Slovenia, you might want to try and swing a visit to the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia. The CCIS building features a panoramic garden of its roof level, as designed by Sader Vuger Architects, giving this natural business organization the vibrant, natural touch of plant life. The sprawling, organically inspired white framework of the garden makes this workspace imaginative and exciting, providing inspiration to its inhabitants. 5. North Advertising by Skylab Architecture. Amongst the most conservative offices on this list is the home base of North Advertising by Skylab Architecture. The most notable element on this clean, classy work environment is its second-level meeting room that juts out over the office floor. It provides a clear view into the workspace below, which itself is styled to the nines. An olive-tiled floor spans the full reach of the office, while natural wood paneling provides an accent to the otherwise black and white walls throughout. Skylab's greatest asset here is the subtle use of color to set the mood in a refined business environment. 4. Manchester Square Interior by SHH. The goal of the Manchester Square office interior by SSH was to feel more like a gentleman's club than an office. Built into a rehabbed Georgian townhouse on London's West End, this office spans 5 stories in the main building and 2 in the coach house to its rear. The furnishings are conservative contemporary, where modern touches merge with the Victorian elements of the original structure. It's work, play, and relaxation all in one. The type of environment when you wouldn't mind spending your work days and your Friday nights as well. 3. Medina Turgal Office by Ergoglu and Kalisar Architects. Ergonoglu and Kalisar Architects selected this stone-walled salt barn for the office of Medina Turgler DDB. ENC rehabbed the aging building and maintaining its picturesque stone walls, giving this ad agency a classic flair. This 11,100 square foot building features exposed ductwork, black steel beams as accents, glass dividers, and a large reaching central table for meetings and community work. This office is a prime example of successfully merging the modern with the medieval. The ethos of the company is to view each project within its individual context and contribute it throughout innovative architectural solutions. The firm has vast experience gained through successful completion of a wide variety of both natural and international projects on a range of scales. Ergonoglu and Kalisar Architects have won many prizes and awards for their innovative projects. The ethos of the company is to view each project within its individual context and contribute to it through innovative architectural solutions. The firm has vast experience gained through successful completion of a wide variety of both national and international projects on a range of scales. Ergonoglu and Kalisar Architects have won many prizes and awards for their innovative projects. 2. Longbarn Studio Nicholas Ty Architects. As mentioned above, the talent of an architect is measured by the design of their own offices. Such is true for the Longbarn Studio by Nicholas Ty Architects, which was built as an expression of this architect's ideology. The Longbarn Studio was designed to sit humbly against the rolling hill woodland in central England. Constructed for less than $370,000, this 2,200 square foot office space focused on sustainability and cost saving while recreating a remarkable working environment for its inhabitants. The building is a simple glazed rectangular unit with frameless 3.2-meter high glazed panels along its main elevations, which hold a very slight green tint to reflect the seasons. The building is capped at both ends, with full-height larch cladding and a series of large temper pods house meeting room, a library, and a printing area. On a sustainable note, the studio utilizes rainwater harvesting, has its own wind turbine, and uses the air heat recovery circulation system. One of the key design philosophies was to harmonize and complement the existing structure of the barn, the framestead, and arable environment within which it sits. The existing barn, which is only 20 meters away and also incorporates a contemporary architectural approach, provides the main planning constraint, and it was essential that the new studio, both in scale and materiality, did not distract from this historic existing structure. In addition, part of the new structure would also partly sit outside of the building curtilage in the previous use set-aside arable farmland. 1. White Mountain Office by Albert Franz Leonard Architects. With a design to make a Bond villain jealous, the White Mountain Office by Albert Franz Leonard Architects is easily one of the most amazing offices in the world. White Mountain Office is home to the Swedish ISP, 100 feet below the surface of Stockholm. The space was once used as an anti-atomic shelter, intended to provide an escape from atomic blasts and the resulting fallout. In 2008, Albert Franz Leonard Architects rehabbed the 4,000 square foot shelter to become the home of Bahnhof AB Data Center and Office. We bet you $1 million that you couldn't walk through this office without cracking a dated Austin Powers joke. So what was your favorite office in this list? If you enjoyed watching the video, please help us grow our channel and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon to Wealthy Kingdom. Thanks for watching.